Initially, the flax seeds undergo cleaning to remove impurities such as dirt, stones, or other foreign materials. This step is essential for ensuring the purity of the final product. After cleaning, the seeds are crushed into smaller pieces. The next critical phase is pressing, where mechanical pressure is applied to extract the oil. Modern screw presses are commonly used for this purpose, as they efficiently separate the oil from the solid residue, known as flaxseed meal. The principle behind this step relies on the physical force exerted by the press, which squeezes the oil out of the seed material. In some cases, solvent extraction may follow to recover any remaining oil. Finally, the crude oil is filtered or refined to remove impurities, adjust its color, and improve shelf life. This may involve processes like deguming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization, depending on the desired end product. Throughout the entire process, in conclusion, the flaxseed oil extraction process combines traditional techniques with modern technology to produce a nutritious and valuable product. Each step in the process contributes to the efficiency and quality of the final oil.